Welcome to Globodox Video Tutorials. In this tutorial we will learn to create a new stack type. Stack types can be used to group documents based on a common entity. Stack types can also be used to store information and description about non-document entities. You can create as many stack types as you want, and each stack type can have its own set of indexing field. For example, you can create one stack type to maintain your employee details, and another for your customer details. Now let's create a stack type. To create a stack type, click Settings. Select the Stack Types node and click the New button to create a new stack type. The new stack type window will now be launched. Enter a name for the stack type in the name box. Enter the plural name for the same in the plural name box. Enter alias name for the stack type in the alias box. Click the Fields tab to add data fields for the stack type. In the Field List pane, click Here to add a new field. A field will now be created. In the Field's Name column, enter a name for the data field. Select the type of data you want to enter in this field from the Field Type drop-down. You can use the text data type to enter text or combinations of text and numbers. For example, you can enter values such as names, telephone numbers, etc. We will now make this data field the primary field of the stack type. A primary field is a field that can be used to represent its stack type. In other words, it is used as the display name to identify its stack type. For example, the name data field can be the primary field of the customer's stack type. Right-click the data field and select the primary field option. A primary field is denoted with the green color check mark. Depending on the data type selected, its field properties will be displayed in the Field Properties pane. We will now set the data field's properties. In the Properties pane, use the Input Value drop-down to specify whether the field can have an empty value or not. Let's create a data field to enter lengthy text or combination of text and numbers. Enter a name for the data field, and from the Field Type drop-down, select Memo Data Type. You can use the memo data type to enter address, description, comments, etc. We will now create another data field which will allow us to store website addresses. Enter a name for the data field, and from the Field Type drop-down, select URL data type. Let's create another data field which will allow us to store email addresses. Enter a name for the data field, and from the Field Type drop-down, select Email Data Type. We will now create one more data field, which will allow us to choose only one item from a list of values. Enter a name for the data field, and from the Field Type drop-down, select the Pick List Single Data Type. In the Field Properties, click the List Source button to enter the list values. The Pick List Value window will be launched. Enter the value in the text box and hit the Enter key to add the value to the list. Click the Close button to close the window. Click the Save and Close button to save the changes and create the stack type. The stack type will now be created and will be displayed in the List View pane. In Workspace, the stack type will be displayed in the Stack Types node.